Hey friends, welcome to my channel. My name is JoAnn Barrandey and I love to craft and I love to decorate. Welcome to my channel, friends. Bienvenidos todos a mi canal. Friends, today I'm going to decorate my mantle and I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to put a garland together. I made this garland a couple of years ago and I'm still using it. It's great. I've revised a couple of pieces. So let's decorate. What I usually do, I put this garland together, and Eric, can we link that video of this garland when I put it together? It was my second video. Can we link it in the description? All right, I revised the bow. That's the only thing I did, and I might have added some little puffy cues there. But when I decorate this mantle, I've got these little stick-on things that Eric put here for me, and I usually center the bow at the middle. Okay, does that look pretty much? And these things, these little hooks are from the Dollar Tree, and they are fantastic. I cheated a little bit. I went ahead and put my trick or treat banner on off camera because that's a little tricky to do. This little banner I got at a garage sale for a couple of bucks, and it was brand new in a package. It was the year that I found a bunch of things at a garage sale that were from Pier 1. I think the lady might have worked there or something, or that might have been her favorite place to shop. Okay, once I get it all up here, I'll turn on the lights. And I'll very carefully step down, and I'll step away and make sure. Okay, I've just got to fix this little candy corn. It's giving me a fit here. Friends, these are made out of matting board. And I showed you how easy it is to put these together. These are some of the things that I'm going to use to decorate with. All right, I think that's good enough. So let me see. I'm going to start with my middle. I'm going to use one of these little candle holders from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to set it right here in the middle. And I'm using 2 of the styrofoam rounds from Dollar Tree as risers for some of my pumpkins that are going to go about right there, and about right there. Once I set those up, I'm ready to put my goodies on top of here. Start off with this pumpkin that was a secret pal gift when I used to work at school. And I think I'm going to put these guys right there. The garland is so inexpensive to make, friends. Like I said, you can check out the video where I made that and put that together. All right, here we go again. Let's see. I'm glad my husband's not here. It makes him nervous when I climb on this fireplace or any kind of little ladder, because he thinks I'm gonna fall. Okay, there we go. And these are these cute little ghosts I showed you on the video where I did the, what was it? Where I showed you everything I bought from all my Halloween goodies. All right. These came from Ross, And they were slightly imperfect, but I got a really good deal on them because they were, they have hairline cracks on them. But I think I got both of them for $5, which you're not going to be close enough to see the cracks on those. How's it looking, Eric?
It's looking good.
I just want to show everybody how you don't have to spend a lot of time or a lot of money to make your mantle look cute and pretty. And I like to hit the sales and buy things at 90% off. After the holidays. So let me see, do I have another room for this? I'll just put the spider right here. All right, these I got at 90% off a couple of years ago. I think I got them at Hobby Lobby. They were 30 bucks, so goodness, it was a bargain. And then I'm just going to put these big lanterns. What I did is I just put a spider in them, fixed a new bow. And these two, friends, I got at a garage sale for $5 a piece. I think I did good. Let me step back. I love it. I love the way it looks. Let me just put my little tray here. And there you go. That's how quick and easy you can decorate your mantle. That's how I did it. Comment below and let me know. Meanwhile, friends, keep on doing what makes you fabulous. Love y'all.